How to use space to select text on iPhone. Hello everyone and welcome. Today we will cover a functionality that is probably familiar to most of you. And that's how to use space as a trackpad on our iPhone. If you are a person who often uses the phone to type some other texts and you simply want a way to quickly correct the mistakes that happen, stay with this video until the end. I will copy some text from the internet and paste it into our notebook. Now we will click somewhere on the text so that the cursor appears, and with it the keyboard. One of the ways to move the cursor is to tap the part of the text where we want to place the cursor, but this can be very imprecise. That's why we will keep the space on our keyboard. When all the letters from it are lost, it is a sign that our keyboard has been turned into a trackpad. Now, moving around the screen, we can position our cursor more precisely. Now let's assume that we want to select a part of the text. He could do it again by tapping on the text, but there is a better way for this too. Press space like last time and hold until the letters are lost. Now just tap your second finger on the keyboard while the first finger is still active. After that, we can move the finger with which we first pressed the screen up and down and in this way select part of the text. That's all for this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more iOS tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.